Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. Picture this: you're in the middle of a crucial task on your device, and all of a sudden, you come across this frustrating issue. It can really throw a wrench in your plans and leave you feeling stuck. But fret not, because we got a solution for you. Let's talk about the solution now. The key to resolving the problem lies in, by simply following the steps of this solution, you'll be able to overcome this obstacle and get back to using your device seamlessly. It's a straightforward fix that can make a world of difference and save you from unnecessary stress. So, next time you encounter this issue, just remember to apply this simple solution and you'll be good to go. In a nutshell, dealing with the problem doesn't have to be a headache. With the help of the solution we discussed, you'll have the tools to address it effectively and efficiently. Remember, technology can be unpredictable at times, but with the right know-how, you can troubleshoot and resolve issues like a pro. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!